Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate form validation UX with React Hook Form, full guide step by step clearly. To activate form validation in your React application, first, ensure you have React Hook Form installed. Use the command npm install React Hook Form to add it to your project. Next, import the necessary hooks from React Hook Form in your component. Use useForm to initialize the form methods provided by React Hook Form. Create a form element and bind it to the handle submit function from useForm. Define your validation schema using the register function for each input field. Include validation rules as parameters within the register function for input fields. For example, specify required fields or set a max length on specific inputs. Implement error handling by capturing any validation errors returned from the handle submit function. You can display these errors to users by checking the errors object available in the React Hook Form context. Customize the user experience by updating your input fields with classes or styles based on the validation state. For advanced validation, consider integrating a library like Yup for schema-based validation. Set up Yup schema by defining the validation rules that will be used with your form fields. Utilize the resolver option from React Hook Form to connect Yup with your form. Test your form in the browser to ensure validation triggers correctly on user input. Refine your error messages to be descriptive and user-friendly for a better user experience. Finally, make sure to document your implementation to help others understand how to utilize the form validation features effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.